naka-live ako. Tapos ngayon, papasok ka na? Pa din ako. Nag-iisip ng suso. Taking showers, my shampoo. You're my favorite everything. I'm telling this that since I was 16. Shut up, love you. Don't my best. Cause I know exactly where I should go. So look the way your green eyes makes me down my road. Hello po. Unaware, kinda care when I look good for you. Swedish mom, you turn me on no matter what you do. Where's Kiwi? Dito si Kiwi. Ay, tutulog siya. Hindi na pa kami nakalive. Sabi niya, tama na ma, tama na. Ganun. I love you, you're my best friend. But you're looking skies, I know exactly where I should go. Cause I love the way green eyes makes me down my road. Talking about the skies, I think our hearts are too short. It's better you and I, on the green sky. We can work it out. Lag ba ako? Parang lag ako, no? Lag ba? This is how it's supposed to feel. I'm in love with how this feels. Hello, Benzel. Hello, you're smart, girl. I know, but there's no appeal. It's okay. Already know. It's okay if no appeal sa'yo. Hindi naman kami nagpapa-appealan. Nagpapahirapan kami. Sino pinakamahirap? Siya ang ma-winner. Bye-bye! I want it. I kinda like it when you call.